Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video we're going to be looking at Fiverr course on the Fiverr platform. So and these are the courses that whereby if you are interested in any kind of service on Fiverr, so definitely you can purchase one out of all these courses on Fiverr, which are created by a top rated seller or Fiverr pro seller. So definitely they are kind of like people that you can actually trust to buy their course on Fiverr platform. So either way, maybe you want to try a logo design service, WordPress website design, voiceover, video explainer, or you want to be a professional social media manager or marketing, SEO, illustration, translation, data entry service, or book cover. So there are a lot of service on Fiverr that you can actually give a trial today. So definitely these courses are going to help you in one way or the other on any kind of skill you actually want to acquire. So definitely these courses are going to help you. So like I mentioned, so these are graphics design. So these are what it actually entails, what you can get from for being a graphic designer, what you can actually do. So this is a digital marketing category. So these are what it actually contains. This is writing category. This is video and animation. This is music and audio. This is programming and text. This is data entry. This is business category, and this is lifestyle. So we're going to look at courses on Fiverr and see which one that it's actually worth it, and we also look at what people are actually talking or saying about the whole course. So I'm going to head up to the cost so we can see what yep. So this is Fiverr course page. So you can see all courses. So depends on what you are kind of like interested in. So you can see here this course says, and it is the best seller on the selling a course on this Fiverr platform. So you can see viral marketing, 7 secrets to promote any product. So you can see this one. This is social media, build engagement across top platform, create and self-publish your book or ebook, ad retargeting, convert more clients. So and this is content marketing for social media, data science fundamental, get started with your business or side, also get your audience, and YouTube marketing. So you can see these are all different categories, and most of the courses that we have actually seen are for digital marketing service. So and you can see the price of each courses, so you get the idea, and you can see the total reviews that this course is having already. So this one is 18, this is 32, this is 18, this is 12, 7, 17, 25, 141, then 122, 820. Wow. So building your car, so you can see building a WordPress website. So 66 review if you want to be a professional website copywriter. So this is 13 review, which is content marketing. Then Facebook chatbot automation. So you can see generate leads and sales effectively. Then digital marketing fundamental, and blog post, how to write a creative and a professional blog article that engage the audience. So you can see more here, you can see all the courses. So this is just the whole course, so you can browse here to any categories that you're actually interested in. Maybe you are into, like, you want to learn about writing, so you can see all the categories here. You want to learn about writing, so just click on this one, then it will be redirected to and give us all the courses that deal about writing service. So you can see here I actually have a YouTuber that I used to watch a video, and also she's also a pro seller on Fiverr. So I think uh, um a course has been published here on Fiverr, but I don't know why I'm not seeing it right now. So yeah, okay, I've actually passed through it. So this is the course, and the course owner was Carrie Blogger. So I used to watch a video on YouTube, and also she's a pro seller, okay, top rated seller on Fiverr. So I like to view a course. This is not a paid video though, so I'm just kind of like, she's a successful seller on Fiverr, so that is the reason why I chose this course. So you can see and learn if you are kind of like interested in copywriting service. So you can see here, e-commerce copywriting, the key to conversion. So the way she introduced herself though, yeah. So
E-commerce sales hold unlimited potential for growing startups and existing businesses alike. The question is, how do you attract and convert buyers in a world of overchoice? Instead of choosing from a small handful of products from well-known brands on physical shelves, shoppers now have access to thousands of competing products and brands. Every company is marketing fiercely to overtake the competition.
So yeah, so that's that. So yeah, then you can see what you are going to learn from this course. So after completing this course, you'll be able to, okay, you can see here, so you can see about this course. So then you can see why learn with Carrie French, who is the course for, so requirement, so those are things. Then what is included in this course, and if you are not kind of like satisfied with the end result from this seller, so you can request for your money back after 30 days, within 30 days, sorry. So that is that for this course. I'm not promoting this course though, so I'm just kind of like, maybe you might be interested, so then that's the reason why I'm sharing with you. And also if you are interested in graphics design, website design, business, videography, program, and all stuff like that, let's check on business. So we'll see that. Then I think you can proceed on anything from there on. So you can see here this one as well, voice over for real people. So you want to start a voice over, you have a nice voice, not like mine, so so you have a nice voice, and you can actually start a voice over on Fiverr and be making lots of money on the platform. So essential skill to online freelancing. So this is kind of like cool course as well, and it will take you 9 hours to learn. So this one will take you 2 hours 30 minutes. So it actually depends on the one you have or you have passion for. So same thing goes to maybe website design as well. If you want to learn about WordPress, Wiz, I'm not sure if there is a course for Wiz website design here, not sure. Okay, there is no course for that. So then that is that for this video. So if you are interested in learning a course or adding a service to your experience, so you can increase your earnings on Fiverr or anywhere you want to make more money online, so definitely acquiring any course here on this platform will definitely worth it, and I'm very sure you are going to get some certificates for that, learning from Fiverr. And also probably Fiverr might direct some and rank your gig due to the fact that you buy some courses on this platform. I'm not sure though, just saying. So maybe it will worth it. So with all that being said, I think um, if I had a chance to buy a course here, so definitely there is a lot of course that I would definitely buy, because I'm very sure they will all worth it. So that is that for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you have a question, please kindly drop a comment or come here to Fiverr, to learn.fiverr.com, and you can choose and go through all these courses on the one that you want to learn, then proceed and purchase anyone that fits. Then you click on buy here, then you proceed and get the old stuff, then start learning at your own convenient time. So I think that's what I have for you in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.